Today, I'm going to share with you my 14 ways that I use to get items for free, and we're going to start right now. Welcome back to another video. My name's Angie, and I help other single parents like myself have the financial freedom to be able to spend more time with their children. My first method for getting things for free is kind of a no-brainer, but ask friends or family. If you need something, ask your friends or family for help. If you refurbish furniture like myself, ask your friends or family if they have furniture that they're just going to be getting rid of, like giving to Goodwill or something. They are happy to have you take it off their hands so they don't have to make the trip themselves. Number 2 is through my local community center. So no matter where you live, at least in the United States, there are community centers all over the place. And these community centers have all kinds of resources. They have resources for free food, such as food banks. They have resources for free clothes. They're called clothing banks. They have non-food banks, where you can go to get things like paper towels, toilet paper, feminine products. So if you're in a bind, you can get diapers. If you're in a bind, go to your local community center, or I believe is it 211 or 411? There's a number that you can also call, a short code number you can call, that will hook you up with free resources. Another great way to get things for free is through Facebook Marketplace. There are tons of people selling on Facebook Marketplace, buying on Facebook Marketplace, if I could say it right. And there are tons of people that need to get rid of things that are just giving them away on Facebook Marketplace. In fact, I redo a lot of dressers, and so I redo dressers, and I saw this dresser on Facebook Marketplace, but it was like an hour away from where I live, so I was like, nah, I'm not gonna get it. It would have been a good, free dresser. I could have made some money off of it, but I just didn't want to make the drive. I don't like driving. But then the next day, I go on Facebook Marketplace to look for free items, and I see that same dresser, nothing done to it, not repainted or anything like that, on Facebook Marketplace for $125. And I was like, wow, well, that's one way to do it. I personally like to get items for free, furniture for free, because I'm a refurbisher. I'm a furniture artist. And then I redo them myself and then sell them for more. But hey, more power to you if you can just get it for free and then sell it without doing anything. In addition to Facebook Marketplace, there's also Craigslist, which once again, you can buy, you can sell, you can trade, and you can get tons of items for free. Free. And these people want you to take these things off their hands, especially furniture or larger items, because they don't want to have to haul it away themselves. So let's say that you're looking to do some landscaping. I have found so much free landscaping material on Craigslist. I found free landscape rocks and extra pavers and all those things that people they don't want to haul away. But you can get them for free and decorate the outside of your house. Is anybody wondering why I'm wearing a white and orangish reddish striped shirt? Want to know why? Because Waldo, find Waldo? He wears the same shirt. And we are finding resources for free things. So that's why I'm wearing my Waldo shirt. My next resource for free things is OfferUp. OfferUp is an exceptional website that gives you the option to buy, to sell, to trade, and to get things for free. So I will give you guys a little preview of OfferUp on my computer.
All right, so this site right here is OfferUp, and you can see you can place the area that you are at, such as Redding, California. Over here, you can look up an item if you'd like. So let's just try that out let's see, we'll look up a dresser. Let's see if we can find any dressers for free today in Redding, California. Okay, so I'm not seeing anything for free. Oh, there's some nice knobs though. Let's look up free dresser. Oh, just free stuff. That's what I generally look up. Okay, let's see here. Free stuff. And, oh, there we go. So it'll show you if something's sold, not that you even care to see it if it's sold, but you can see all the different free things that you can get from OfferUp. Like I said, buy, sell, trade. OfferUp's a great site. Once you find something you want, let's say that you want some wood for your wood, whatever, the wood is free, but it did say you got to be careful about some of these things because it says it ships for $13.99. So if I'm in San Diego, California, I can just go grab it. But if I'm not, I can get the wood for free, but the shipping does cost money. So you got to pay attention to that. But if you're in the same area as the item, then you're just going to go, you're going to message the person who has it, and then set up a time to pick that item up for free. So that is OfferUp.
After OfferUp comes Let Go. And Let Go, once again, same as OfferUp, buy, sell, trade, free. And here's a little preview on my computer once again.
And this is OfferUp. So as you can see, very similar to Let Go. You do have a search function right here. So let's just go ahead and search for free stuff. There we go. You can see, you can select your location, your price. I suppose we could have selected 0 to 0. Let's go 0 to the max is 0. Apply. Okay. So looks like some of this stuff is kind of, oh no, there we go. Free couch, lots of free couches, free shelves, free fridge, free. So there are a ton of things on OfferUp and Let Go that are free. So you just have to pick through it, just like when you go to a yard sale, you just have to pick through the stuff. So you'll find all kinds of good stuff on OfferUp and Let Go. I personally, for my location, I prefer OfferUp, but some people have better luck with Let Go, and I think it depends on both your location and the items that you're looking to purchase or buy or sell. So there's your little preview, and back to the show.
Now also, keep in mind that besides Let Go and OfferUp, there are literally hundreds of other websites out there that let you buy, sell, trade, and receive things for free or give things away. OfferUp and Let Go for my area seem to work the best, but for your area, you might use a different site. My one thing with any of these sites is if you are going to meet up with someone to get your, so you're going to be meeting up with these people to get your free item. You need to be careful. You need to first let someone know that you're meeting up with them. Second, you need to bring someone with you. And third, you need to not enter their home. If they're meeting you somewhere, which is even better, make sure that it's during the day and that it's in an area that there are a lot of people. And once again, you should always bring someone with you, and you should always let someone know that you're going to one of these meetups. And whether it be call a friend, let them know, good. And then maybe even make a post on your social media. Hey, going to meet up at this place to get this item, and maybe share the post that you're responding to get your item for free. And that way you stay safe. Because if there's no point in getting items for free if you're going to get killed in the process. So just be careful with those things. Okay, so some of you guys are gonna be like, seriously, Angie? You said that you don't dumpster dive, which I don't dumpster dive. Like, seriously, I don't want to get infected with a weird needle or a nail or I don't know, whatever. But I will tell you that especially during months when it's not super rainy all the time or super snowy all the time, people leave things next to the curb, expecting that other people are gonna come grab them because they know that people come and get things for free. One suggestion I have, if you really want to make the most of this curb alert free stuff, is figure out when garbage day is in different neighborhoods. And nicer neighborhoods, obviously they're going to have nicer things that they just want to get rid of. So when it's garbage day, a lot of people just put their items out, their pieces of furniture. I'm not saying don't take free food that's out or something weird. I'm talking about, I'm a furniture refurbisher, so I'm mostly referring to furniture on this one. But a lot of people put, nice dressers, nice tables, whole, sets of, dining set out on the curb during garbage day or on garbage day, knowing that people like myself and like you, are going to come pick it up. So check that out. I have gotten some really awesome stuff off of people's curbs. Now, I will tell you, like the first couple times that I was grabbing someone's trash, whatever, it's next to their garbage can. It's not like I don't go through people's garbage cans, okay? And I'm not one of those channels that like goes to the Macy's dumpster at midnight and gets free makeup or whatever. But it can seem or feel a little embarrassing when the person comes out as you're loading up like their old TV stand or their old nightstand. But I'll be honest with you, that embarrassment goes away. The best thing to do is explain to the person that you are a furniture refurbisher and that you want to save them time on taking things to the dump. Give them your information, let them know that you do excellent work, show them your Instagram if you already have an Instagram set up with your furniture on it, and that could actually be your next customer. That happened to me one time. So it's a great opportunity. Yes, it feels embarrassing at first. You'll get over it. Same thing with being on camera for YouTube. You'll get over it. So just give it a try. You will get some awesome things. And you help the environment. Like these things don't need to go to the dumpster, to the landfills. They can be refinished and then reused. So you're like saving the planet. Go you, like save that planet, man. Okay, now especially during the warmer months, there are ads on all of the different sites, the Craigslist, the Marketplace, the Let Go, OfferUp, for yard sale leftovers. So people have yard sales, as we know, and then they can't sell this stuff. So rather than taking it to the thrift store, they pretty much send out a notice on one of those websites saying that there's free yard sale leftovers. So you go there. A lot of the times there's even pictures. And once again, I've received some great items from these yard sale leftovers, which leads me to my very last way of getting items for free. Well, no, second to the last. The last is super exciting, so hang out till the end of this video. And also, don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, the all-knowledgeable algorithm. And also, please be sure to subscribe to support my channel and support me. That'd be great. So my next way that I get things for free, and I don't know if this is something that is available in all cities or states or whatever, but it is available in my city, and that is estate sale leftovers. And those are available in any type of months. Warm months, cold months. Oh, there's my dog. Warm months, cold months. There's my dog Foxy. He got my shot. So basically you just go to Craigslist. This is where they usually list it, and it'll say estate sale leftovers free. It'll give you an address, and you basically just go to this warehouse. People get there like an hour early. They're lining up. Like if you get there right on time, right when it starts, which the ones that I go to start usually about 8 o'clock in the morning. If you get there right on time, literally there's like, it's packed. It's worse than Walmart. And talk about, speaking of really nice behavior from people, holy moly. People that are there to get stuff for free can be like, man, they're fighting over stuff. It's kind of fun just to go and watch. But I actually like to go to get free things too. You don't find on these real estate leftovers, most of the time all the furniture is gone because it's sold at the estate sale. But you find all kinds of things. I found several buckets of plaster, which I use plaster a lot for filling and things like that. You'll find paint, you'll find hardware like nails and screws and handles and knobs and fabric and all kinds of things at these estate sale leftovers, and it's absolutely free. So what you need to do if you're going to one of those, because they are humongous and there's a lot of people and it's freaking crazy, first of all, empty your trunk and make sure that you bring boxes or tubs or something, because there's not a way to, they don't give you like bags. I'm like, here, have some bags and take our free stuff too, So you bring your boxes or your tubs, and you just pretty much, and I would even suggest bringing a hand truck, because sometimes it gets heavy, and like these people, they are going at this stuff, and like you want to get it first, so you got to go fast, but don't be rude. Like this dude like pushed me over one time. I was like, seriously? Like I'm like a 100-pound girl, and you're like in such a hurry to get your free whatever the hell it was that you had to knock me over. Like, so be careful. People are not very polite when they're getting things for free, which is odd because you'd think they'd be thankful. But that's it. Like, those leftover estate sale leftovers are the bomb. And that is, that's, oh wait. I have one more. Hang on, I have to look at I made a list. Just a second. Oh, hang on, I'm gonna get you the one. All right, guys, are you ready for this last one? Because it's fantastic. You know what it is? Hold a sign! I'm just kidding. I want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have ideas for future videos, let me know. What am I forgetting? Don't forget to hit the like button. Please make sure to subscribe. That would be fantastic. And you have yourself a fantastic day. So here's a hug for you. I blew you a hug. And here's a kiss for you. I blew you a kiss. Over and out.